Hi, today we're going to be making our birdhouse. So the materials you'll have are your wood pieces and your wood glue. Something else that might help you is the tape, which can tape all your pieces together. So first we're going to put the sides all together in one line. It'll be like this. And then you stand them up and put them together in a cube. And then we're going to take our top piece, and this little slot goes on the side away from the piece pointing out. And these will line up kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. And then we'll take the bottom piece, put it on here. Some of the sides are smaller than the other sides, so make sure those ones line up. And there you go. And then when you're done, you can use the wood glue to put the pieces that are connecting together. And you'll let it sit there for about 20 minutes. And for this one, you'll have a paper towel tube, sun butter, and seeds. What you'll do is you'll spread the sunflower butter onto the paper towel tube, and then you'll roll the seed so it's covered and the birds can eat on it.